good, YouTube? It's your girl Justina, and I'm back with another video. Hey, how you guys doing today? Yo, I pray to God, guys, because my storage is a little shitty. I pray to God this shit don't cut off mid-video. I hope not. Anyway, if it does, just you get the gist of the video. Anyway, what's up, y'all? How y'all doing, my babies? Welcome to another video. Period. No, I'm just kidding. I'm fucking kidding. No, we're not doing that shit over here. Don't even fucking don't play me. Anyway, okay, so I'm gonna be giving you guys 3 things. That's 6. 3 things that I do that I've noticed that makes a man come back over and over and over and over. Sex-wise, okay? If you want a regular version, let me know, because I got a regular one too. But sex-wise, at least these are the reasons that I think men just always want to come the fuck back to me. And the number 1 rule is when they spin the block, don't let them come back. Don't. Just hold that happiness in your heart a little bit. You just like, yeah, you want me, but you just can't have it. You know, like, just let that make you feel a little happy. Like, whatever. But anyway, boom. So the first thing is, guys, you heard me say this a bunch of fucking times. Slut him the fuck out. Like, I'm not kidding. Like, be nasty. Like, slut him the fuck out. Make him feel like a whore. Like, seriously. Like, at the end of y'all sex session, he should feel like a thought. He should feel like a thought. Like, it's that simple. He should feel like a hoe, and you just took all his respect. He should feel disrespected. Like, you've ever gotten piped so good after you just lay there because, like, you just got so disrespected and you're just like, you know, like, absolutely. That's what he needs to feel. So every time I hook up with a guy, used to, because I'm a child of God, I would slut them out. When I say slut them out, I would be very, very, very aggressive. Like, I would treat them like they're the woman. But I would first ask them, hold on, I gotta turn my YouTube video, this YouTube video. First, I would ask them to make sure, that they're comfortable with it first. Because not all men like aggressive women. So ask them first. Be like, oh, Ken, whatever says goes. Most of the time, they're gonna say, yeah. After, like, hooking up, I've only met like 1 person who didn't really like aggressive sex. Like, only 1. Everybody else, what? They want to feel like hoes too. So this is what you gotta do. Like, you gotta set them out. When I say set them out, pull their hair, choke them, slap them, bite them, spit in their mouth. Like, just treat them like they hoes. I'm sorry. Like, I know this sounds really bad, but I'm telling you what I do. I really do this. I would not be telling you something if I did not do it myself and it did not work. I promise. Okay? You have to, like, really treat them like they a hoe. Like, you gotta be aggressive when you're fucking them. Like, you just gotta control them. Men love, like, being out of control sometimes. Whether that's tying them up. I love tying niggas up. What? Arms and legs so they can't move. They just gotta lay there and take it while I pounce. What? Oh my God. So that's actually the second thing, right? Is your mouth. Okay. The things you say sticks right here. You feel me? Like, the more detailed you are, the better. Like, when you're slutting him out, you gotta be like, ooh, this dick is mine. Like, you better not give it to nobody else. Slap! Like, and I know that sounds insane, but guys, I wouldn't tell. I'm 4'10". Okay, my little ass be flinging niggas around like there's no tomorrow. And when I tell you they love that shit, bruh, they love that shit. They love it so much because it's just like, ooh, bitch, you nasty. Like, you know what you're doing. That's exactly what it. Anyway, so the second thing is your mouth. Say all kinds of nasty shit. Be like, this shit is mine. Oh, you love this. See, like, they just fuck the shit out of them. You feel me? Like, just say nasty shit. Like, oh, I'm gonna do this and then. Yeah, like, you know, just be nasty. If you want specifics, I'll try to make a video with specifics, but that's the second one. Like, they hear things. You feel me? They hear things, they remember them, because 9 out of 10, they've never heard them before. They've never heard a woman with a nasty ass mouth like yours. They love that shit. I swear to God. Because you look all La, la, la. And then you like, nigga, take your drawers off. You feel me? Like, that's what you just gotta do sometimes. Not with the deep voice, though. Don't do that. Don't do that. They gonna question you a little bit, baby. Don't do that. Don't do that. And then, the last advice I got for y'all, well, I got a lot more, but we're only giving 3 examples because I gotta clear space in my motherfucking phone. But any motherfucking way. The last but not least, guys, and this is very important. This is very important, right? This only works if you're comfortable sending pictures of yourself. Again, 18 and older. Okay? So, again, I do OnlyFans, so it was easy for me. But, like, and this is only, like, with good dick. Like, if the dick whack, then don't do this. But, like, so, after we hook up, right? The next day, next morning, whatever, I'll take some pictures and I'll send it to them, right? And I'll just be like, oh, thinking of you. Or some nasty shit. Or, like, some little da-da-da, right? And then just don't answer. All day. Don't fucking answer all day. Guess who they gonna be thinking about? Guess who they gonna be thinking about? You. He's fine too. She's fine too. But he wants you. Oh, let me stop. Oh, my titty gonna slip at the bottom. But yes, guys, those are little, tips, tricks, and everything to get these niggas obsessed with you. Like, seriously, like, don't be afraid. Don't be be aggressive. Be confident as fuck. Like, when how a man would be like, oh, I'm gonna do this to you, and be like, no, I'm gonna do this to you. Actually, I'm gonna slut you the fuck out. Actually, I'm gonna fuck the shit out you. I've looked men in their face that I didn't know. A little tipsy, sometimes not. Just extra confident that day. If he fine, well, go get what you want. What? So, you know how many times I've gone up to a nigga in the club, right? And just be like, yo, the things that I will fucking do to you. Right? Bro, I swear to God, they face be dropping. It's so funny. Bro, it's so funny. I swear to God. Anyway, I hope y'all like my little evil advice. Like, comment, subscribe, and share this with your best friends, your mammy, your auntie, your grandmama, your whatever you want to share. Oh, y'all saw that jiggle, my God.